in your thoughts. You must have gone so far away. What else should I've done to make you stay? Your wings in the sky tonight. I'm sitting on a rock and watch the heron fly. Feet in the water, half away. It has been such a beautiful day. A beautiful let's burn one down and slowly disappear. 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 Oh, I've been hiding deep in the woods. Oh, I've been searching as far as I could for some answers to my riddles and my doubts. Oh, I might have taken the easy way out, but it doesn't matter. Myself once more, behind my guitar. To big bright sun, saying goodbye. So let the music talk. Talk by itself. Don't know why, but it makes me cry. Had enough of these lonely days. Need someone to love today. Someone to brighten my rain. rainy days, my rainy days. The golden light is still what it used to be. Forever calling me. By the spirits in the sky. They confuse me sometimes. Who will I be when I leave this body? Had enough of these lonely days. Need someone